finally, what you guys have been waiting for. This is the Jackie Aina palette. If it would open. Taras, that is pigmented. Flippin' hell. Then I'm gonna go in with Wigglies. Oh my god, I love the names. So Jackie Aina. We are going in with this deep purple, which is Shookington. Like, these names are just absolutely crazy. That purple is really rich, really beautiful. And yeah guys, this is the final look. I'm loving this palette. I'm all for black power, and power to Jackie Aina. I think she deserves all the recognition that she gets. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Jackie Aina palette. So she did a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the palette. I have created this look for you guys. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Do you want to see this look or nah? You do? And you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I've prepped my skin and done my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go in with the foundation. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. I absolutely love it. I've already done a review on it and also a video already, so I will leave them in the links down below. So I'm just taking 2 pumps of this. Well, that was 3 pumps. And I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand, as you can see. And I'm just gonna work that in with a foundation brush. When I reviewed this foundation, I spoke about how like luminous and dewy it makes my face look. And once you watch that video, because I know you've watched that video if you're subscribed, if you're not, go ahead and watch that video because I do an in-depth review on that foundation. The shade that I'm using is 470. Now to set that foundation, I'm just using a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Genius powder, and I'm using the shade Free Dark, and I'm just gliding that powder with a powder brush across my face. You can use any powder brush. The brush that I'm using is from Mask. I just love it because it's just massive and it just gets into every single corner. I also like to set my foundation, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This was a limited edition summer collection one. So this is Summer Solis. I don't think you can actually buy it anymore, but I absolutely loved it because it had like a little bit of a summer scent to it. So in order to preserve the eyelid, I'm using the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. I absolutely love this primer. I go between this primer and the Urban Decay primer, and I'm just putting some on my eyelid, and I'm just going to blend that in with a blending sponge. Alrighty, what you guys have been waiting for. This is the Jackie Aina palette. If it would open. And these are the most amazing colors in the palette. I heard someone say that, you know, she designed it with darker skin tones in mind, which I do believe. So yeah, there's so many colors to choose from. And I think I've done like purple and green looks recently. So I think I'm gonna go in with a deep red golden look. So the first color I'm going to use is Edges. Has my base color. This is kind of like a burn red color, and I'm just going to place that on my eyelid and in the crease of my eye. Taras, that is pigmented. Flippin' hell. It does come with its own little brush, which I love, and this brush is so great because it just aids in blending in that color. And then I'm gonna go in with Wigglies. Oh my god, I love the names. So Jackie Aina. And that is a kind of like metallic red color. So that is Wigglies on the eye. Absolutely loving that red. It is so bright, so pigmented. The name is literally cracking me up. So I'm just gonna blend Wigglies and Edges in together, just so they sit nicely together. Okay, so in the corner of my eyes, I want to brighten that look up. So I'm going in with Zam, which is a nice little bronzy golden color. So I just want to brighten up my under eye. So I'm taking the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer in Honey, and I'm just placing that underneath my eye. And I just clocked, didn't Jackie Aina do a collab with Too Faced? So I'm kind of like using both her products, to be honest. And I'm just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. To further brighten up the eye, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Deep Peach. This powder is the bomb diggity bomb. And I'm just taking a small brush and placing that underneath my eye. And also on the bridge of my nose. Okay, and then for my lash line, we are going in with this deep purple, which is Shookington. Like, these names are just absolutely crazy, but that purple is really rich, really beautiful, and I think it will go really pretty with the lash line. Okay, so I have done my lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my mascara, do my lip, and come back with my final thoughts, guys. Okay, guys, so I have done my highlight, my mascara, put on a little red lip. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. So I'm loving this palette. I'm all for Black Power, and power to Jackie Aina. I think she deserves all the recognition that she gets. I remember watching all her videos. I'm an avid follower of hers on Instagram, and I remember when she literally put like a sneak peek preview of the palette, and I was like, oh my gosh, what the hell is she bringing out? One of the reasons why I also fell in love with Too Faced is because she aided in extending the range for darker skin tones, which I absolutely am all here for. I'm so glad that Anastasia Beverly Hills collaborated with her, because I think she does need to get the recognition. I think this palette had a lot of hype around it. It was literally sold out online, and then you couldn't buy it in stores, and I was so happy to be gifted the item, and I'm loving this look. So if you like this look, guys, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this look, I'd be happy for you to share this look. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can get this amazing palette. Hopefully it's not out of stock, but I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.